Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2005 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram shown. Given the ideal operational amplifier circuit shown in the figure, indicate correct transfer characteristics. Assume ideal diodes with zero cut-in voltage. What can be the transfer characteristics of given op-amp circuit? And given that one, diodes are ideal with zero cut-in voltage. Okay. So basically this is going to be treated as Schmitt trigger circuit. Schmitt trigger circuit. Schmitt trigger circuit is going to be converting any varying signal, okay, any alternating signal into square wave. It will be converting into AC signal into square wave, okay, and we will see how to analyze this one. So this is what the circuit diagram given, and for this one these are going to be the diodes. We are assuming it is D1 and this is D2, okay, and since the output is going to be connecting to non-inverting terminal, are you looking at this one, the output is going to be fed back to non-inverting terminal, so that this is going to be consisting of circuit with positive feedback. Circuit with positive feedback, it doesn't have negative feedback. Whenever circuit is with positive feedback, at that time op-amp acts as comparator. Op-amp acts as comparator. The operation of comparator is nothing but, okay, output voltage is going to be either at positive maximum or at negative maximum based on which input is going to be dominating. So look at this one, V0 is going to be equal to plus VCC. Plus VCC is nothing but, in our case it is 10 volts, plus 10 volts if V plus voltage at non-inverting terminal is greater than voltage at inverting terminal. Otherwise, V0 is going to be equal to minus VCC, which is minus 10 volts if V minus voltage at inverting terminal is more positive than non-inverting terminal. So which terminal is going to be dominating, based on that one, that output voltage will be the output. That corresponding saturation voltage will be the output. So always output voltage may be either at plus 10 volts or at minus 10 volts, depending on which terminal is dominating. Okay, so here the analysis is going to be done in two different ways, two different cases. One is as V input is increasing from minus infinity to plus infinity. That implies nothing but, as the input signal, you can apply any input signal, the value is going to be in between minus infinity and plus infinity, but we are going with a case of always it is in the increasing fashion. So it is increasing from very less volt to very high. That is nothing but, it is increasing from lower to higher values. So lower to higher values, in ideal case we are making it as minus infinity to plus infinity, so that we can say initially V plus is going to be dominating in this case. V input is going to be connecting to inverting terminal. V input is nothing but now. So V input is connected to inverting terminal, so that initially V in is going to be more negative, so that V plus dominates. Initially V plus, that is voltage on non-inverting input, dominates because V input is going to be assumed as minus infinite, that is nothing but less negative, so that V plus is going to be higher than minus infinity. So always we are going with non-inverting terminal is going to be dominating in this case initially, so that V0 will be at plus VCC, that implies nothing but plus 10 volts. Whenever V0 is at plus 10 volts, at that time this makes, okay, the diodes D1 and D2 are going to be now connecting with plus 10 volts. That plus 10 volts you are connecting to N side of D1 and P side of D2. That implies nothing but D1 will become reverse bias and D2 will become forward bias. Whenever D2 is forward bias, at that time the V0 is going to be connected in this way. V0, okay, V0 is connected through D2, that is nothing but 0.5 kilo ohms towards 2 kilo ohms and ground. This is where you are going to make it as V plus. So V plus can be connected as, this is plus 10 volts, and plus 10 volts is making D2 to forward bias, so that it act as short circuit, and it is connected with 0.5 kilo ohms and 2 kilo ohms. They are in series now. So V plus can be written as, the voltage at non-inverting terminal is 10 into 2 divided by 2 plus 0.5. So this will be around 8 volts. So V plus is going to be 8 volts. That implies nothing but V0 will be at, hence V0 will be at plus 10 volts. V0 will be at plus 10 volts until V minus is going to be reaching this V plus voltage. So if V minus is less than plus 8 volts, at that time V0 is going to be plus 10 volts, because non-inverting terminal voltage is dominating. Next, when, if V input is going to be greater than or equal to plus 8 volts, then V minus dominates. Voltage at inverting terminal dominates, so that V0 is going to be turns towards minus 10 volts. So this you can write as a transfer characteristics in this way. This is Vi and it is V0. Okay, it will be at plus 10 volts. It will be at plus 10 volts. So this is Vi 0 and it is minus infinite, and you are going towards positive infinite. So output voltage will be at plus 10. That is nothing but, as the input signal is going to be increases, it will be at plus 10 until it is going to be reaching minus 8, that is plus 8 volts. Afterwards it will go to minus 10 volts. Output voltage will be at minus 10 volts. This is what the circuit diagram you will get. Okay. Next, we will go for the second case. In second case is nothing but B. Now as V input is decreasing from plus infinity to minus infinity, that is nothing but, now V minus is initially having a large positive voltage. So V input is going to be more positive is connecting to this inverting terminal, so that initially V minus dominates initially. Whenever V minus dominates initially, at that time V0 will be equal to minus 10 volts. This V0 is equal to minus 10 volts. It is going to be connecting to both diode 1 and diode 2. But diode 1 N side is connecting with minus voltage, whereas diode 2 positive is connecting with negative voltage. That implies nothing but, this makes D1 forward bias and D2 reverse bias. So by that time the circuit diagram is going to be, D1 forward bias is 2 kilo ohms is going to be comes into existence. This 0.5 kilo ohms will not come into existence, because this diode is acting as reverse bias. By that time it acts as open circuit. Okay, so that now this is going to be the circuit diagram. Minus 10 volts is V0 and it is connecting to 2 kilo ohms through diode 1, which is forward bias, and this is what V plus. It is again 2 kilo ohms. So V plus voltage at non-inverting terminal can be written as minus 10 times of 2 by 2 plus 2, which is nothing but minus 5 volts. Okay, so hence you can write it as, hence hence V naught will be at minus 10 volts until V input is going to be lesser than minus 5 volts. Okay, so until V input is going to be less than minus 5 volts. Now V input is decreasing from more positive voltage. From plus infinity it is coming until it is going to be reaching minus 5 volts. The output voltage will be at minus 10 volts only. Okay, once V naught is going to be equal to plus 10 volts. V naught is equal to plus 10 volts when V input is going to be less than or equal to minus 5 volts. You can write it as V input is greater than minus 5, otherwise until V input less than minus 5 volts. That is nothing but V input is greater than minus 5 only. If V input is greater than minus 5, you will get minus 10 volts. If V input is less than or equal to minus 5, at that time V naught will become plus 10 volts. Now we can draw the transfer characteristics. Okay, these are going to be the transfer characteristics. So the transfer characteristics we can draw now. Now V input is going to be decreasing from plus infinite, that is nothing but it is coming from like this, plus infinity, as it is going to be decreasing plus infinity, and output voltage will be at minus 10 volts only. Okay, until it is going to be reaching minus 5 volts. So this is what you can say it as minus 5 volts, and by that time the output voltage will be turning towards plus 10. So you are moving in this direction as the input voltage is going to be decreasing from minus infinity plus infinity to minus infinity. It is reaching, this is plus 10 volts. So these are the characteristics. So negative side it is minus 5 volts, positive side it is plus 8 volts, and this is going to be treated as hysteresis loop. Hysteresis loop. So the transfer characteristics are nothing but minus 5 plus 8, minus 5 and plus 8. That is nothing but the right answer for this one is B. This is minus 5 and it is plus 8.